you know, you see pray. Nightlife, my peeps, you know. You see pray. Yeah. Soft. Yeah, good morning, them my peeps. Give thanks for your support all the time, my peeps. I'm on up on the road, I take a early morning stroll, you know where it go? Yeah, man, subscribe to the channel, man, J Blacks TV, we out here. Go home and cook some food in my peeps, so stay tuned for that, you know. Check in back again, my peeps. Yeah, man, they back home now, you know, you see, pray. Yeah, man, time for cook some food, but I'm going to do something new today, my peeps. First ever, me gonna try this type of cooking, you see, pray. So just stay tuned, watch how I go on, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, in my peeps. J Blacks TV, man, we're out here, you know. Blessed. Yeah, my beautiful peeps, have some liver, chicken liver on the board, you know, my peeps. You know what I mean? We're going to season it up with some jerk seasoning and salt, and we have onion and we have a piece of pepper right there, so you know. Stay tuned, my peeps. Over here, so now we're going to match up the cooking, you know, you see it? Fire stick already into the hole. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, stay tuned, my peeps, watch how I go and catch the fire right now. Boom bang bang, my peeps. Now we are going to ignite the fire in my peeps. Get some coconut trash. Chopping out the milk like that. And we have some kerosene oil. So we are going to make all of these stick fire burn out and turn into charcoal in my peeps. Yeah, so you already saw me catch the fire already. Stick fire, you know, to burn out, to turn charcoal. So now I'm going to season up the chicken liver in the meantime, you know, my peeps. That is it. Yeah, now we are seasoning up the liver in my peeps. Season him up well nice, you know. You see, pray. But with some jerk seasoning. Now we add a little salt. Some onion. We have the pepper. So now we're gonna fold everything into the banana leaf and wrap it up. Stay tuned for that, my peeps. Time to wrap it up now, my peeps. So that you can get to do what I do, you know. Check in back when we finish wrap it up, my peeps. Yes, my peeps. This is the final wrapping, you know. Yeah, man, this is the way I want it. So you're gonna see what's next in a few. That is it, man. Fire get active now, you know, my peeps. Chicken liver over and grill my pips. Na banana leaf, you know. Yeah, my peeps. Check in again, man, you know. Yeah, man, my daughter do ya go and roast some chicken liver wrap up in a banana leaf, you know. First, me I go ever try this thing, my peeps. Comment in the comment section, my peeps, if you never tried this before. My peeps, I don't have a clue how this is going to turn out, you know. Just like honey, you know. Yeah, man, they are curious myself still see pre. But we're there together. I go and do the thing. So I go see everything that I saw. You know what I mean? That is it, man. So stay tuned, my peeps. Guys, I have a church in a yard, yeah? A beer. I have some bird come feed from it, you know, you see me? I show you what I go on. I try to screech you up and see if I can show you what I go on, you see me? Right, I need a church me there. A roast liver over open fire. The church here. And if you can see me peeps. Bad plate, you know. See me right there, sir. See me peeps. See head a move. The man feeding, come feed, eat the cherries them, you know. Some other birds in it as well. But the biggest bird is in the tree. Now trouble in my peeps, make him go and feed. No want him fly away. Now we roast some chicken liver and a banana leaf in my peeps. It over the fire for quite some while. So now I gotta take it off and so I go on inside in my peeps. Stay tuned for that, man. Now my peeps, so I open it up and now you see it. So what's inside? Anyway, we know what's inside already, chicken liver. But we are gonna see if it cook. Now I mean, first me I try this in my peeps, so I don't know what's going on, you know. So we are gonna see what I go on now. Cut that, man. Sheesh. That, my peeps. Chicken liver well cooked. Check in, my peeps. Woo. Digging it now, you see, pray. Yeah, man, so what's the honor do it, you know, you see me? Well cooked, my peeps. See, eh? Soft. Very delicious, my peeps. I say. Woo. And taste the seasoning. Scotch bonnet pepper. Everything, my peeps, the meat remain white. Like when you fry it or roast it. Stand up, Esther. Yeah, my peeps, as I say, this obviously I steam inside of the banana leaf in my piece, but trust me, very delicious. No joke. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel, my peeps. You know? Nightlife, my peeps, you know?